To be, no, not to be. That is the question.
Roberto, what's wrong with you? Your ass has been mediocre all week.
I don't know. My girlfriend broke up with me. My dog ran away and
you're missing a button. Roberto, I think I know what's wrong with you.
what is it?
You lost your mojo.
No!
Hey, I'm an expert. I know how to help you.
You do?
Yes. Look at you acting like you were in no time. We need to take you back to where everybody else started. The theater. Roberto, get your mojo back.
Class followed me back.
That's fire. She's lived rent free in your head since ninth grade.
I don't know about this, man. What are we gonna do now?
Don't worry, I still have a few tricks up my sleeve.
Hi, can I get a Big Mac, double pattied, with 6-piece chicken nuggets and a large fry?
Can I get a Happy Meal?
And we'll get her in a Happy Meal, and that'll be it. Oh, that was so good. But still ain't feeling anything.
Don't worry, I know another spot.
Oh. Man, I'm still not feeling it.
Can't believe it's come to this. Time to pull out the big guns.
So, you know this is a high school, right?
Roberto, please. This is you.
So how is this school supposed to get my mojo back?
Because Roberto, this place has a stage.